I'm unboxing, or should I say untubing, because that's what it is. Something very exciting today from Pickers Ridge, handcrafted wood. And this was a custom order that I requested. They always pack things so beautifully. You just don't have any worries about anything getting damaged because they pack things so well. Everything's waterproof, then it's bang proof, and then inside it's further jolt proof. So everything is done so well. So this is an order that I requested. I already have, as you know, some Pickers Ridge boat shuttles that I was very happy with, but I wanted one that was a little bit longer for my big loom. And so that is what this special request is. And I also wanted it in a particular wood, and that's what they did for me. Okay. Usually I try to preserve paper when I open things up, but this tissue paper is very delicate, so I don't think I'm going to be able to preserve that. You see what I mean about the wrapping? It's just so careful. Oh, wow. Oh, it's so beautiful. Wow. Okay, so this is a 15-inch closed bottom boat shuttle made by special request by Tim for me, and it's made from figured silkwood maple. And can you see that kind of rippling? It's so beautiful. This is exactly why I wanted this wood. Look at that. And on the back, it kind of gleams. I don't know if you can catch that on camera, but for me looking at it, it actually gleams. It's such a beautiful wood. I'm so glad that I got this made because they were running out of this wood. Now, speaking of running out, I believe they have two of these same, well, they're not exactly the same because although it's the same wood, of course, it's a different part, so it's going to be slightly different. But at the making of this video, I believe they have two of these size. So they don't normally make the 15-inch. That was a special make for me, but Tim also made a couple of extras because he had enough wood to do that. So they are on their website now, and I'll link that for you, but they won't be there for very long. These are just so beautiful. I have another video on their boat shuttles if you're interested in watching that, and I'll try and remember to link to that too. You can see their stamp there, Pickers Ridge. I'm very happy with this. I can't wait to use it. It's also beautifully smooth. They're just so well crafted and so pretty. So thank you very much, Tim. I love it.